If YouTube won't load, freezes, or shows errors, here's how to fix it on desktop and mobile. Videos won't play, pages won't load, or YouTube shows a connection error. It happens on your browser, the app, or both. Other websites work fine, but YouTube doesn't. YouTube failures come from 6 common causes: a weak or unstable internet connection, corrupted cache data in your browser or app, ad blockers or antivirus software blocking YouTube, browser bugs or outdated versions, a YouTube server outage, or device-specific settings interfering with playback. Here's how to fix each one. Step 1. Check your internet connection. YouTube requires a stable connection, at least 5 megabits per second for HD video. Run a speed test at fast.com. If speeds are low, restart your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds. Move closer to your router or switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if speeds stay low. If other video services like Netflix also buffer, the problem is your connection, not YouTube. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data is the most common cause of YouTube failures. On desktop Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Select All Time, check cookies and cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. On Firefox, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete and clear the same items. On mobile, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless clearing cache alone doesn't work. Clearing data signs you out and resets preferences. Restart your browser or app and reload YouTube. Step 3. Disable ad blockers and extensions. Ad blockers commonly break YouTube playback after YouTube updates its code. Open an incognito or private window. Extensions are disabled there. If YouTube works in incognito mode, an extension is the problem. To your extensions page, disable all of them. Reload YouTube, then re-enable extensions one at a time to find the culprit. Update or temporarily disable your ad blocker if it's causing the issue. Step 4. Check your antivirus or firewall. Some antivirus programs block YouTube's video delivery servers by mistake. Temporarily disable your antivirus to test. If YouTube works with a DOF, add YouTube to your antivirus whitelist or exception list. Do not leave your antivirus disabled permanently. Re-enable it. After testing, Step 5. Update your browser or app. Outdated versions cause playback errors. In Chrome, click the 3 dots Help about Google Chrome to check for updates. In Firefox, go to Help about Firefox. On mobile, open your App Store and update the YouTube app. Restart after updating. Step 6. Check if YouTube is down. Visit downdetector.com and search for YouTube. If thousands of reports appear, YouTube servers are experiencing an outage. This is rare but happens. Wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Nothing on your end will fix a server outage. Step 7. Try a different browser or reinstall the app. On desktop, open YouTube in a different browser. If it works there, reinstall your primary browser. On mobile, uninstall the YouTube app, restart your device, and reinstall from your app store. A clean install removes corrupted app data that clearing cache doesn't fix. If YouTube still doesn't work after all these steps, check if a VPN is active. VPNs can throttle video streaming or route traffic through blocked regions. Disconnect your VPN and test. Also check if your DNS server is causing issues. Switch to Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1. In your network settings, that's the fix. Start with clearing cache, check extensions, and verify your connection. Most YouTube issues resolved by Step 3. If it's a server outage, waiting is the only solution.
Solution brief. Fast answers, no fluff.